Let's go ahead and open up these 18 envelopes from 16 senders. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and that's right, we're actually going to be doing a Sunday shout out and mail call episode. I have 18 packages. I think it's actually 15 senders because Panda has sent 3. Got to catch up on some mail, so we'll go through these. You guys know the drill. Anyone who sends me a package that I have their YouTube channel or other information for, I'll post it down below in the video description. Please check them out. Give them some support. That'd be awesome. Enough lollygagging. Let's see what Panda sent us. So the packages from Panda are kind of sad. He's asked me to no longer show the serial numbers because, and I know people were just trying to help, but some people were putting the serial numbers into where'sgeorge.com from the videos, and where'sgeorge.com sent him an email saying that he is not following the proper procedures and that he's getting extra credit on bills that is not according to their policy. So he almost got kicked off of where'sgeorge.com, so he asked me to stop showing the serial numbers on my videos, and the second letter actually says he's probably going to stop sending them altogether. What a shame, but thank you very much, Panda, for the fun while it lasted. And please don't enter any of his Panda bills unless I have sent them to you for the rest of you. Other than that, we had lots of fun. Panda's in good spirits. He'll figure something else to do for the mail calls. But in the meantime, we do have the last 2 bills left. I'll send those out. Thank you, Panda, for all the mail packages. Sorry we got you in trouble. We'll get these out in the mail to somebody else. And thank you again for all the fun we've had over the last several months. My next packages come from Thomas Adams, aka the other Thomas Santos. That's funny. He sent me a 1955 DBU quarter because he saw in one of my previous videos that I was missing one from my quarter album. And it said as soon as he saw it, he knew what to do with it. As a way to say thank you for the content and videos, he wanted to send it to me. Thank you very much, Thomas Adams. On top of that, he got one of my penny mats, and he did his very first hunt on it and said, Rob, I wanted to give you some of the finds for my first hunt. He found a 1916 P Lincoln cent that has all kinds of deliberate holes on it. They punched holes north, west, south, east, and dead center. Like he said, who does this? I don't know, but they trashed it. Also, 2017 Espana 2-cent euro. Beautiful. And a couple of Canadians. A Canadian bird cent from 1967. It's got the bird on the back. As well as a 1984 Canadian 1 cent. So Thomas Adams, thanks for thinking about me, sending me a 55D BU quarter. As well as some finds from your first hunt on the new penny mat. Beautiful, brother. Thank you again. The next 3 envelopes I received came from AJs Coin Show. No notes this time. Sent me a bunch of foreigns in here. Some of them are pretty cool. A couple of tokens. He knows I love to collect my tokens as well. I think the coolest token he sent me is this one right here. It's showing a picture of some underground mining from 1850 in California. And it is a token that is commemorating the sesquicentennial gold discovery, 1848 to 1998, 150 years. Very, very cool. I think it's funny. It says it right here. 39 finds, silver plated. So this was silver plated at one point, but looks like it's wearing off after the years. Either way, very cool token. We've got a Banco Central de la República Argentina 50 pesos bill. And like I said, some old foreigns. Can't get mad at that. Thank you, AJ's Coin Show. We'll add them to my collection. The next piece of mail comes from Luke Robinson. He actually says, Rob, I'm sorry I haven't sent any mail in a while, but I've been watching your channel still. Hope you enjoy the coins. Lucas, David Coins, and more. Can you tell people to sub to my channel because I don't have that many subs? Well, I'll list it down below. Lucas, David Coins, and more. Hopefully they'll check it out. He gave me 3 2017 Ps. He knows I don't see too many 2017 Ps up in my area. Thank you very much. A 1999 Canadian quarter. A 57D wheat cent. a possible grease strike error, but when I looked at it, it looks like it has some external scratches, like someone scratched away some of the date and part of Liberty. Could be a grease strike, but I think it's just been scratched away. And then some cool stamps. Some really cool stamps to add to the collection. Alexander Hamilton Bicentennial, Charles Steinmetz, and Bobby Jones. Can't get mad at those. Thank you, Lucas David, Coins and More, for the goodie package. My next package comes from Mikan again. Once upon a time, Meken saw one of the big animals from the field. But it wasn't in the field, it was in the sky. And it had wings. Boom! Buffalo Wild Wings gift card from Mikan. Holy cow, brother. Charlani and I will be excited to use that one. Thank you so much. My next package comes from Carter. It says, from Carter to Rob, I've been watching your channel for a year now. Could you sign the genuine legal tender U.S. bill by Trump? And here are some coins for you. Hope you enjoy the coins. I'm 10 years old. Please send the bill back. Thanks. Sincerely, Carter. So we've got a bunch of coins here with the tape on them. And as a reminder, I want to let everyone know, try not to tape the coins to these. Only because, A, it takes a lot to remove them. And if you send any nice ones, tape does affect the value of coins. But other than that, thank you, Carter. And we even got a Lambeau Field collector coin. That's very cool. Awesome. I'll be checking those out. He wants me to sign this here. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Certificate of Authenticity, U.S. Banknote. This COA certifies that the bill you received is genuine legal tender United States currency. The artists of the American Mint have used an advanced technology to enhance this uncirculated currency, creating a collectible work of art. Your bill is guaranteed authentic. So is this the bill or is this the COA? But either way, I will sign it. This was attached here. Wants me to put a signature here. I'll do that, brother. We'll do that right now, and I will get that back in the mail. Very cool package. Thank you, Carter. I'll have this to you mañana. My next package comes from Dwayne Oneal, who says he watches my channel and enjoys it a lot. Appreciates the fantastic tips and all the fun. He recently found a counterstruck penny in one of his hunts, and check this out. The counterstrike state that's put on there is Texas, and he wanted to send it to me because he's in California and he knows I'm in Texas. And guess what, Dwayne? I do collect these counterstruck state pennies, and I don't have Texas, brother. So now I get to add Texas to my collection. Thank you very much. My next envelope comes all the way from the Philippines, and once again from JD Lauan. Love his artwork. Shows a hand holding some money. He says, Rob, I sent you 3 $1 American banknotes. One is a star note. Can't get mad at that. A $2 bill from 1995. We'll take it. And as well as another beautiful Philippine 20 peso note with the rare serial number. Look at that. EJ117777. Very, very cool, brother. Thanks for the goodies. I appreciate it, JD. And nice artwork. My next package came from Augie. And Augie, I've got your package. Now, Augie also is known as Coin Kid New York City. This is a 1909 VDB. A little bit of a rub on the bottom there. Lincoln sent. And I know what Augie wants in trade for it. So I'll be sending it out to you, brother. It should leave my house mañana. I figured I would try to give you guys a little bit better look at this 1909. It's really nice. It's 1909 VDB, like I said, but I wanted to give you a better look. It is in the packaging, which does always give a reflection, but it's in really great shape. Look at the detail on that 1909. All right. Now we'll get on to the next package. My next package comes from Phillip Artist, who says, Rob, I really enjoy your videos and wanted to send you something for your silver stack. Look at that. 1917 Walking Liberty minted in Philadelphia. Can't get too mad at that. Thank you, Phillip, for the beautiful silver for the stack. We'll add it to my collection. Thanks to you. My next package comes from Cameron's Collectibles. He just hit 200 subs. Wants to know if he can get a shout out. You bet. Cameron's Collectibles. Anyway, Cameron's Collectibles sent me some items for an EOS, a 44S and a 51D, a 68D, 40% silver $50, a 1983 Philadelphia mint gold-plated $50, and some other Wheaties, a 45S, 47P, and 57D. Also, a couple of uglies for Charlani's book. Now, those are definitely ugly and damaged. You know Charlani Cameron likes them toned ugly, but those might be something she'll take a look at for sure. Thank you very much. EOS giveaways from Cameron. Congratulations on 200 subs, and thanks for the uglies for Charlani. My next package was actually an anonymous envelope. No letter or anything inside. We had some stickers here that talk about 7 reasons why you should support Sierra Club. So that's pretty cool. And then a card to signify that I received this card from a proud supporter of the equine advocates whose mission is to rescue, protect, and prevent the abuse of horses, donkeys, ponies, and mules. Very cool. Really nice stickers and card. On top of that were these 2 things. One that says, "For you, Rob, Signature Series, North American Hunting Club." Very cool. And a note that says, "What happened to this coin?" This is a buffalo nickel, and it is a 1923 Philadelphia. And what happened to this nickel is someone decided to liquidate the entire obverse and reverse of the coin. Perhaps trying to conceal the fact that it's been liquidated, but that is a completely liquidated obverse and reverse. Thank you, anonymous sender, for the Sierra Club stickers, the Equine Advocates card, the liquidated buffalo nickel, and the North American Hunting Club Signature Series badge. My final package is actually just an envelope from Twolf because we have a surprise on Wednesday's stream. He has purchased an entire box of $50 that we're going to use as giveaways. There's 5 different people we're going to select to get rolls. We have an end of box, end of stream giveaways, and this is just the envelopes and the invoice that shows what he's giving away, and that is in a different box that I will show during that stream. Thanks, Twolf. We got the goodies set up. Can't wait to do that giveaway box on Wednesday. So there you have it, everyone. The Sunday Shoutout Mail Call episode for just envelopes is complete. We'll be doing the packages most likely tomorrow. I do have a handful of them, and I'm happy to get into them. Plus, I want to show the contents from Twolf's giveaways on Wednesday. So, looking forward to that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick envelope series shout out and Sunday mail call. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. Come on. And thanks for watching.